Allen to Grand Prairie, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Mansfield, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Wiley, Duncanville, Sherman, and Rockwall. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 414 and 441. Interstate 20 between mile markers 452 and 485. Interstate 30 between mile markers 33 and 79. Interstate 45 between mile markers 271 and 284. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
This is Cody Canada.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, southeastern Harris County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, southern Grayson County in north central Texas, western Fannin County in north central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bells to Allen to Grand Prairie, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Mansfield, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Wiley, Duncanville, Sherman, and Rockwall. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 414 and 441. Interstate 20 between mile markers 452 and 485. Interstate 30 between mile markers 33 and 79. Interstate 45 between mile markers 271 and 284. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Hunt County in north central Texas, northeastern Kaufman County in north central Texas, northwestern Van Zandt County in north central Texas, southwestern Hopkins County in north central Texas, northern Wayne County in north central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lake Tawakoni State Park, or 9 miles north of Wills Point, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include West Tawakoni, Quinlan, Emory, East Tawakoni, Point, Cumbie, Hawk Cove, Lake Tawakoni State Park, Greenville Club Lake, Lone Oak, Alsa, Flats, and Hermit's Cove. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 106 and 114. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Hunt County in north central Texas, southwestern Hopkins County in north central Texas, northwestern Rains County in north central Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Point, or 17 miles southeast of Greenville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Trained spotters have reported a tornado in northern Rains County. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sulphur Springs, Emory, East Helocony, Point, Cumbie, Cooper Lake State Park, Lake Sulphur Springs, Cooper Lake, Lone Oak, Martin Springs, New Birthright, Ridgeway, Hermit's Cove, and Peerless. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 109 and 135. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Kaufman County in north central Texas, southwestern Van Zandt County in north central Texas, north central Henderson County in central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Gun Barrel City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Curtis Creek State Park around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Kenton around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Edgewood around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fruitvale around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Grand Saline around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Myrtle Springs, Prairieville, Jones, Wheaton, Falva, Roddy, Jackson, Oakland, Wise, and Tundra. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 514 and 533. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The current time. Fort Worth has thunderstorm warning for North Central County in North Central Texas, in North Central County in North Central Texas, in North Carroll County in North Central Texas, North Dallas County in North Central Texas, southwestern Carroll County in North Central Texas until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 24 p.m. to 5:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from your Lucas to Sunnyvale, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. 65 miles per hour. 65 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicator. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Garland, Lincoln, Garland, Mesquite, McKean, Richardson, Wiley, Rowland, Wiley, Rockwall, Greenville, Baldy Springs, Sam City, Murphy, Roy City, Fairview, Heath, Princeton, fate and risk includes the following highways. Between mile markers 400 between mile markers 480 and 482. Interstate 30 between mile markers 30 between mile markers 15 and 1. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside. Stay away from windows. And stay away from windows. The current time is 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Rockwall County in north central Texas, southern Hunt County in north central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County in north central Texas, southeastern Collin County in north central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Heath, or near 40, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Roy City around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Quinlan and Cattle Hills around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Greenville Club Lake around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Centerpoint, Floyd, Josephine, Cache, Clinton, Dixon, McClendon, Chisholm, Nevada, Union Valley, and Lone Oak. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 67 and 96. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado watch number 56 Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.